our mother tongue, in addition to other two languages. We can go and get a challan in our mother tongue earlier. Now, after the implementation of the official language policy of the Government of India, only Hindi and English are available in the tickets, or in, I will come to later, even on the toilet boards in our Central University of Tamil Nadu. As one friend commented, I am not able to use the toilet because I don't know Hindi or English. So without knowing Hindi and English, you cannot go to the toilet in Central University of Tamil Nadu. Why? They can write the native language. So this is the kind of policy the British have carefully cultivated, but our government, it is our government is doing a disservice to our regional languages. It will be also reduce the resistance with the citizens of states. It will also reduce the resistance to the development of Hindi as a monolink. It is essential that such models should be followed, and the central government should support its activities with its state citizens with 3 languages, including writing the names on boards, bank accounts, railway tickets, etc. In that case, the bizarre display of names, boards on toilets, etc. will not only be in Hindi only, but also will include languages intelligible to the locals. The intellectuals have to show the right path to others to minimize politicking the language issue by the vested interests, rightly or wrongly. The next important point, the Kendriya Vidyalayas in different states is not offering local languages to the children, denying even the basic right of citizens to learn in their own languages, in their own land. This is what is happening in Thiruvarur. In Thiruvarur Kendriya Vidyalaya, you cannot learn Tamil as a language. Only Hindi, English and German and Sanskrit. These are all, German is optional and other 3 languages compulsory. But no place for Hindi. Maybe it is available, it will be a case in other states also. But nobody voices any concern. This is the constitutional violation, I would call it. This does not augur well and should change. Otherwise, the citizens have to seek judicial intervention and remedy. Central government should include space for all Indian languages while developing a linked language in academic, administrative and judicial matters. If it is not done, this will continue to be an irritant for cohesion and integration. A change of heart may start from educational portals. Thank you.